mLIMS facility version is designed for core animal facilities that manage animals for multiple researchers. Here's a brief overview of some of the main features of mLIMS for facility. The page provides an overview of all of the animals and cages in your animal facility. Get a count of all cages, any active service requests, animals, medical records, matings, billing reports, litters, and protocols. mLIMS facility is unique. It is connected to all of the research labs in your organization. You can view the animal counts and other information for each lab simply by choosing the lab PI name. In addition to standard cage features, mLIMS facility has advanced tools specifically designed for facility managers. Browse cage locations, browse racks, create and view cage maps, browse rooms, view the number of cages and animals in each room, browse room inspections, and conduct a cage count for billing purposes. mLIMS facility allows veterinarians to manage animals' medical records, create medical records, and review. Create treatment plans, view a treatment summary, and any observations. Orders in mLIMS facility. Add your animal order, expected number of animals in your shipment, and when they arrive, assign them to a lab. Assign a billing category, arrival date, and assign to cages. When complete, submit, and your animals are now in your system. In mLIMS for researchers, mLIMS for facility has advanced breeding tools for husbandry technicians. Create matings, add litters, and tag and wean and view on the calendar. In mLIMS facility, research labs can submit service requests to the animal facility. The animal facility can then review and complete these requests. mLIMS tracks all cage usage and assigns your billing amounts to each PI. Create billing accounts and then create a billing report, which can be then reviewed directly by the research lab. Facility tracks protocols for all research labs in your institution. Get accurate counts of every protocol and notices of expirations or over quota. To learn more about mLIMS facility, request a trial. We will set up a trial facility site specifically designed for your needs. You can also request a live demo to see mLIMS facility in action.